Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
For part A, getValueAt should search through the entries list for a sparse array entry whose row and column match the given parameters if such an entry is found.
The method returns that entry's value. If no matching entry exists, then the element in the sparse array must be 0, so the method returns 0. A correct implementation is public int
GetValueAt int row int call for sparse array entry e for entries. If e.getRow equals row and e.getCall equals call, return e.value. Return 0. For part B, remove column must.
Update the sparse representation after one column is deleted. Any entry already in the removed column should be deleted. Any entry to the right of the removed column should shift left. Great job tracing through that code. Remember to track each variable carefully. Practice with Sovi to build your Java debugging skills.